It's Ohio Jimbo, and I've got a few more great songs for you to play, campfire songs, out and about, wherever you're out on the patio. Maybe you're just playing around in your living room, and you're watching it on TV and seeing it. So I'm going to put these big chords on the screen, big chords, so you can see exactly where your fingers go on the neck of the guitar, and you can play along with this, or you can just kind of practice this and see how it is. But it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of songs coming up, and all I want you to do is watch these, learn some, and let me know if you want to hear some other songs. But let's get right into it. Hey, here we are. We're in the barn here. We're in the studio from Ohio Jimbo, and well, I just kind of want to show you a couple really, really fun songs to play, and we've got a lot to get to, so let's get right to it. Here's a super cool song. Everybody knows this song, and everybody sings along with the chorus. It's called Brown Eyed Girl. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a real simple way to get the attention to the song, and then how to get into the song. It's a very simple G, C, and D progression. It does have a little E minor in there, and sometimes you can take the D and go to a D seventh. But of all of these, this is one of the coolest songs because everybody recognizes it. Now, let's, just so you can begin, let's go through G, C, and D, okay? And they're not always in that order, but that's the three chords you're gonna deal with in this song, okay? So if you go G, play it all the way through, C, back to G, and then to D. You almost have the intro done. It's that simple, because listen to this. If you go, see? Now everybody's going to recognize that. So what you do is you allow yourself to hit that bass note on the G, and you go. So you drag your pick across those, and then you bring it back up at the bottom. Hear that? That's two ups at the end there, kind of gives it that feel. And then you just switch to the C and do the same thing, but instead of this top bass string, you're going to go to the next, which is the root note of the C. So you go, it's the exact same thing. So you go. And that's the secret, is doing the pluck, down, pluck, down, pluck, down, and then on this one, down and up. So here it is. It's really that simple. That's the intro. Now let's get into the song. Hey, where did we go? The days when the rain came down in the hollow, hey, playing a new game, laughing and running, hey, slipping and jumping, yeah, in the misty morning far away. Our hearts were bumping in you. Well, brown-eyed girl, here's E minor. You're my brown-eyed girl. So that's the first verse all the way through. Now, it goes right into the second verse. It doesn't go into the chorus. So it kind of just keeps going. The exact same thing as G, C, G, D. I'll try to slow it down here. So it's, whatever happened? Tuesday's oh so slow. Going down the old mine with the transistor radio. Standing in the sunlight laughing, I'd behind the rainbow's wall, slipping and a sliding, yeah, all along the waterfall with you. My brown-eyed girl, back to E minor. You're my brown-eyed girl. Then you ride this out. And it's kind of cool, just kind of keep that D going, but you can drop to a D7. And this is where everybody knows all the lyrics to this part of the song. So they're gonna sing along with you. So you can just kind of keep that D7 going. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. So that's the chorus. So you got the verses, and then you fit the chorus between them. That's how simple that song goes. Then it goes into the final verse. So hard to find my way, and now that I'm on my own, saw you just the other day. My, how you have grown. Cast my memory back there, dog. Sometimes I'm overcome thinking about it. Making love in the green grass, baby, behind the stadium with you. A brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. Then you go back into the chorus, and it's real simple. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Encourage everybody to sing. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. A brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. You can go right back into that chorus again. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, a brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. That's the funnest song you can play, and you just keep rocking it. Play it as long as people will sing it, and that's a fun part about it. So I can show you this really quick. Here's the difference in the strumming pattern. This is really key, because if you're playing it just going that kind of downstroke, it's kind of boring. It can be done, but it's a great way to practice it, is doing just the downstrokes on all these. So if you start the whole song just going through those chords, you're good with it. But if you really wanted to kind of get it going, you get this. So what you're doing, that bass and drag, and then when you get into the song, you literally get into it in a complete different fashion. Let your strumming take the rhythm and let it play that part, because it's really an important part to the song. So when you're playing the song and singing, let it, hey, where did we go? Days when the rain came. Now I'm kind of giving that extra, because that's what helps this song have that passion to it. And then when you get into the, there, do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Now watch this. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. You're my brown-eyed girl. There's so many many ways to get through this song, and a lot of them really play on that rhythm and strumming pattern. That comes later. Get the chord progression down. Of course, get the lyrics down, because they're kind of crazy lyrics, but it's just a story about young love, and they're out having fun by the old hollow and then down in the mine with the transistor radio, all that fun stuff. But this is a really cool song that everybody will sing along. You'll enjoy it. Everybody else will. It's one of the simplest, and the key thing is when you start that out, if you get that... that is what's going to get people's attention. They'll know the song, they'll start singing along before they know it, and they're all having fun. And that's what it's all about. I'll tell you, I love doing this. I'm not a pro by any stretch of the imagination. I just have fun doing this, and I want you to have fun too. So hopefully you'll enjoy this and get out there and try it. Now, there's a whole series of songs coming up, and I hope to get them all to you. So if you would, subscribe so you'll know when I upload a new song, and I'll be dropping videos probably once a week and trying to get you something to play through the summer and learn. It's a great way to kind of get out and have some fun, and I encourage you to do it as much as possible. Grab a guitar, get it into tune or close to tune, and play some of these songs. So I hope this was helpful. Leave some comments below. Let me know if there's something that you want to hear. And I have had a lot of requests, so I got a long list to catch up with. But this is Ohio Jimbo, and I'm telling you, if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.